Stability analysis of well foundation. So it is nothing but what are the forces acting on the well foundation. A well foundation supporting a bridge pier is subjected to vertical and horizontal forces. The various forces acting on well are as below: self weight of the well and its superstructure, live loads, water currents and buoyancy, temperature, wind and earthquake, braking and tracking forces, resistance of the well walls, base and skin friction. So self weight of well can be very well understood, and superstructure also. Live loads. So it is the live load acting on the superstructure that will be carried to the well foundation. Water currents. Most of the time well foundations are provided in case of bridges, so it will face the water current due to the rivers as well as the buoyancy forces. It can be constructed in sea also, so it will have this water related forces. So there will be changes in temperatures, wind conditions, and there may be chances of earthquake also. So our well must be withstand all these forces. Braking and tracking forces, these are the forces are acting during the sinking process or construction process of the well foundation. Resistance of the well walls. So resistance of well walls, it may be in form of, you can say, uh, resistance to the equipment, resistance to the sinking process, resistance to the whatever the loads are applied, etc. Base and skin friction. After construction of the well foundation, there may be a surrounding subsoil that may exert some friction force around the periphery of the well layers. That is called a skin friction. And bottom plug is experiencing upward soil pressure. It is called a base force. IRC and IS design recommendation. The IRC and IS 3954 publication recommend the following procedure for the design of well foundation in sand deposit. Check the stability of well under the working loads assuming the elastic theory. Find the factor of safety of the well against the ultimate failure using the ultimate load theory. So these are some recommendations. Design of wells. Design of well basically involves the finding the depth of the well. So what is the depth required for the well? What is the dimension and design of the other components? Now in this, the design of well includes the diameter if it is circular, its dimension that is a rectangle, or you can see a square one, that is the width of the well, that is the size of the well. And design other components mean what is the design thickness of the staining, what should be the actual sizes of your cutting edges, top slab, etc., etc. So this will include the design of the wells.